What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and it's been a while since I filmed a video. I've actually been in India for the last 2 weeks, and so packages have kind of piled up on me a little bit, and so I thought I'd just do a general unboxing. I don't think there's anything too exciting. In fact, most of the stuff in here probably won't get its own video, so I don't know what's in this package, but I have a pretty good idea of what's in everything else. So today I'm going to be opening all of these with the Reate EXO, which arrived in the mail about 15 minutes before I had to leave for the airport, so already opened it up, but we'll do a video on this at some point soon. I'm just going to start with the box, get that out of the way. I have everything label side down for the sake of keeping my address off. But up first, this is actually kind of related to the last video I did before uploading, or before leaving, which was on the Tinkerforce maintenance tray. And I mentioned in that video that I was out of space in my curator stand and was going to order a new one. So that's what this is. And so I have a few curators here. Oddly enough, I don't think actually this is available on the website anymore. So I'm not sure if it's just temporarily removed or if it'll eventually come back, but for now at least it is not on the website. But this one should hold 10 curators, and so I have space for 4 more, and then obviously have the other one that holds 4 curators, so it can hold 14 before I need to figure out a new storage solution. But pretty cool there. I think these are pretty cheap, at under $10. I don't remember the exact price. Like I said, the listing is now removed, so not sure. But these next two are actually from the same company. I did one order before I had left and one order while I was gone, and so both got here during the same time. And these are from Data Crew. Got a patch and a key tag. And so this is a Sleeping Reaper and then this blue key tag. I collect these key tags. I have them in a bunch of different colors. They're relatively cheap as well. And that's probably what's in the next one also. But have a similar one in kind of a regular blue. This one's more of an aqua blue with the navy outside. So collect these. I'll throw them on keychains every once in a while. They have a space for patches on the back, and just like the look of them. And again, they're relatively cheap. And so pretty sure that's what's going to be in this one as well, but not positive. What colors? I am missing a couple of those, so we'll try and collect them all eventually. And yeah, so we got a purple and a red. So overall, have 6 colors now. Pretty similar. There's an orange one as well that looks pretty similar to the red, but a little bit different shade. But it looks more red than orange. And then I think a black one and a beige one that I'm missing. But we'll eventually collect all of these. They're just kind of a cool thing that you can throw on different keychains. And plan on doing a couple keychain related videos soon, so I might throw one of these on there. But those are the 2 packages from Data Crew. You make some cool patches as well. If you're into that, definitely check out the Instagram. I'll link to all of these companies, either their website or their Instagram, down in the description below. Next up, this one was actually a lotto. So this is a Castle Grayscale, and a lot of their stuff is pretty hard to get outside of lottos. Sometimes they'll do pre-orders and stuff, but this is the first item I've been able to get through one of their lottos, so pretty excited about it. And this is their Game Over, I forget what version, maybe version 3 patches. And so you have the Game Boy that says Game Over, as well as the Game Boy cartridge with the skull on it. And then you always get a sticker to go with it. So this is a Brother in Arms sticker, kind of similar to Pokemon cards. Some really cool ones out there. Definitely going to try and get my hands on more of these. They're relatively, again, exclusive because they do a lot of stuff through lottos and games on the Facebook group. But they also do pre-orders and stuff like that, and they're pretty reasonably priced when you do get them. So I'm going to save this one for last since I have no idea what it is, and then I'm going to start with this one, which I have no idea why it's in such a large package, because I'm pretty sure it's relatively small. And nothing else in there. And so this was a Pete's Pirate Life pin, which I collect pins. I have a little pin board above my computer monitor that I'll throw pins on. Not a lot of them are EDC related, but do have a few EDC related ones. So he came out with a collaboration with James Coffee with the Pete's Pirate Life coffee. I think it's aged in like a rum barrel or something like that. So didn't get the coffee just because I don't make a lot of coffee from grinds or from beans directly. So didn't get the coffee, but did want to get the pin, and this wasn't available on his website as far as I know, only on the James Coffee website. So pretty cool little drop, and again, not too expensive. It'll look nice on my pin board. Cool that we got a couple stickers there as well. And then last up, this one's a surprise. I'm assuming it's a knife of some sort, but I don't actually know. It just feels like a knife box. Oh, I actually know exactly what this is. So this is a knife I had ordered a while ago from Petrified Fish. Don't know where it opens, so I'm just gonna cut the bubble wrap. From Petrified Fish. This was the last knife from last month affiliate commissions that I bought with those. And so we'll be ordering a few more once I just got one of my affiliate payouts, but I have the larger one about to hit. So we'll be ordering some more knives with that. But we'll obviously do a video on this knife. I don't remember the model. Maybe it'll say in here, maybe it won't. Oh, the Beluga. And so I got this in this blue micarta. It looks really nice, actually. This is my first Petrified Fish. Probably won't be my last. Again, shipping takes a little while because it is shipping from China, but they're available on Amazon, and a little bit stiff out of the box, but I'm sure I can break that in. And yeah, just all around a little bit stiff out of the box, but I'll oil it up and kind of work on breaking it in, maybe loosen it up a little bit. But pretty cool this finally arrived. I had ordered this maybe about 3 weeks ago. It wasn't too bad in terms of shipping. Pretty large, larger than I was expecting. But cool looking knife. Really like the blue micarta on this. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty thick and hefty as well. But a nice grip on it. Pocket clip is reversible. And it is a liner lock. So we'll definitely do a full video on this at some point, and probably after I've broken it in a little bit and had a chance to experience it. It comes with some extra parts here. I'm assuming, looks like all of the extra screws as well as some brass washers. So that's it for this video. Just a bunch of kind of random stuff. Again, most of this stuff is stuff that's not going to really make its own video, but we'll definitely be doing a video on the Reate EXO and the Petrified Fish Beluga. And some of these may be appearing. Obviously the patches may end up on some pouches, and the key tags, again, may end up in some keychain videos that I have coming up. But thanks so much for checking it out. Hope you have a great one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And take care.